Hey everyone, welcome back to this week's episode of Friday Fabric Finds. Today is Friday, October the 4th. We have officially made it into Halloween season. Ooh. My name is Mitchell. I'm a manager here at Fort Worth Fabric Studio.
My name is Justin. I'm a photographer and product adder.
This is a little series where we like to show you the Friday newsletter, run down through every single item that's in it, and also go out in person in the warehouse and check out all the items and show you all the ins and outs of everything that we talk about here. Without further ado, let's get started.
To begin, we have our Friday bundle called the Countryside Favorites Fat Quarter Bundle. This is a 9-piece fat quarter bundle featuring the Countryside Collection by Riley Blake Designs. This bundle features patterns such as florals, a country scene, dots and gingham, and colors of red, blue, and cream. So be sure to bring a breath of fresh air to your projects with our Countryside Favorites Fat Quarter Bundle.
Next up, we have Blue Ridge Batiks from Moda. This is a batik group. With this, we have the Full Yard Collection. We also have Fat Quarter Bundles, Layer Cakes, Charm Packs, the Carolina Shag Kits, and the Autumn Leaves Kits. So you can expect various things such as flowers, leaves, twigs, dewdrops, paisleys, marble, and stone textures, all in a wide variety of colors such as sand, rust, earth, frost, and mist. Make sure to capture the beauty of a misty morning with Blue Ridge Batiks.
Next, we have a group from Studio E called River Rhythms. This group features the full collection yardage and fat quarter bundles. This group features patterns such as fish, lures, fish skin, salmon, fishing rods, maps, and newsprints in colors of red, blue, green, and gray. So be sure to reel in your next project with River Rhythms.
Next up, we have Live Out Loud from Free Spirit. This group is selling out quickly, so make sure you go check it out. We have assorted yardage, we have intersected quilt kits, we also have fat quarter bundles. This group is all about celebrating your authentic self. So this could be very complex designs or some swirls, some squares, some words, and a plethora of colors such as aqua, green, maroon, maybe some tans. So if this group might be interesting to you, make sure to write your own story with Live Out Loud from Free Spirit.
Next, we have Farm Livin from Riley Blake. We have the full collection yardage, 108-inch wide quilt backings, 36-inch panels, fat quarter bundles, 10-inch stackers, 5-inch stackers, the barn quilt kits, and the Farm Livin panel quilt kits. We have patterns such as barns, cows, sheep, horses, chickens, grass, and chicken wire, and colors of green, yellow, red, blue, and white. So be sure to bring the beauty of the countryside to your projects with Farm Livin.
Next up, I wanted to highlight a sale we have on a kit. This kit is the Pansy Time Quilt Kit. Originally, this is priced at $170.96, but we have it all the way down to $109.96. So if you're interested in any like purple kits or anything and you want this great discount on this kit, you can bloom into savings with the Pansy Time Quilt Kit.
Next, we have a Western group for you guys called Western Boho Baby from Blank. This group features the full collection yardage as well as Way of Life quilt kits. We have patterns such as cowboy hats, boots, baby horses, baby longhorns, cowhide, and other cowboy motifs such as horseshoes, cacti, bandanas, and even more than that.
Those baby longhorns are very cute.
Yeah, they are. We also have colors such as tan, sand, gray, and white. So be sure to giddy up and take a gander at Western Boho Baby.
Next up, we have 108-inch Yellowstone from Benartex. This one is a 108-inch backing, so it can be used on any of the backs of your quilt projects. That being said, if you're working on any Western theme, these backings could work perfectly for you. Patterns on them include things such as cowboy boots, cowboy silhouettes, some wood textures, all in a variety of colors of black, cream, brown, blue, gray, and white. So if you need any backing for any of your projects, make sure to saddle up your horses and giddy up to the 108-inch Yellowstone.
Next, we have a group for you guys called Fluidity from Northcott. This group features the full collection yardage and fat quarter bundles. Patterns in this group are watercolor prints inspired by the flowing beauty of watercolor art in 20 different vibrant colors. So be sure to dive into a sea of color with Fluidity.
Next up, now that it is October, we have switched to our October bargains. This is our collection of everything we have on sale. So you can expect things of remnants, maybe some kits in there, some groups, some notions. You never know because we update this daily. So if you want to check out any of our deals, go check out our October bargains.
Last thing we have to talk about is the comment of the week. This is where we pull a comment from last week's episode to read on this week's episode. This can be from YouTube or any of our other social media sites such as Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok. We have 2 comments this week, actually. The first one comes from Sewing with Wayne, who says, OMG, the puns you come up with, LOL. And I just want to say thank you so much. We love coming up with the puns. They're so much fun, and we feel like it adds a little bit of flavor, you know, to us talking about the group. So we appreciate the comment, and thank you for watching.
The other comment we wanted to highlight is from Melody Soroka 405, which says, "You are my kind of people, creative souls. Awesome videos. I'm so in love with the collection stocked. Ta-ta for now," which is a Winnie the Pooh reference from Tigger, you know.
Yeah. I would know.
He wouldn't know. We do want to let you know that we do have plenty more collections that we know you'll love. Make sure to go check those out. I want to say thank you, Melody. We appreciate that you do come back and watch our videos. We love that we're able to show everyone everything that we talk about, all the collections, everything, and get to show you what we are actually talking about too. We filter through all the fabrics and everything, but thank you for your comment.
Thank you guys so much for watching this episode of Friday Fabric Finds. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, be sure to subscribe, and be sure to ring that bell so you get notified when we upload. Be sure to leave a comment. You might be featured for comment of the week. And be sure to follow all of our social media. That will be in the link down in the description below. We'll see you next week.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.